In this tutorial, we will go over the features of Office 365. In your web browser, go to office.com and click on Sign In. The first time you sign in, remember to put in your entire Crosby ISD email address and your Crosby ISD password. You will also be asked if you want to stay signed in. That is, of course, up to you. On your home screen, you will see at the top all of your Office apps. In the middle of the screen, you will see a section called Recommended. That's where you will have just a snapshot of files that you have either received as attachments in your email or things that people have shared with you. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a few of your most recent files that you have created or used on the web version of office.com. Let's look at features of some of the Office apps. The Outlook app takes you to the web version of your email. And we're going to go to an email that has an attachment on it. Whenever you click on the email and you go over to where the attachment tile is, you will see two arrows. The first arrow is download, and that downloads the file directly to your hard drive. The second arrow says more actions. If you click on that, you will see preview, download, and save to OneDrive. Click on Save to OneDrive, and it saves it into the Cloud app OneDrive in your Office apps. So I'm going to go back to my Office tab here, and you can click on OneDrive by using the icon, or you can go over to the waffle tile on the left side, the quick launch tile, and click on OneDrive there. Since the file I just saved was an attachment, it will go automatically into my attachment folder in OneDrive. So click on attachments, and there's the file here, the most recent one. Now let's look at the web version of Microsoft Word. Go to your quick launch button on the left side of your screen and click on Word. On your home screen, you will see your recommended files in the middle. Remember, those are ones that have been shared with you or things that you recently edited. You also see here at the bottom your recent files. These are files that you have used or created or have been shared with you recently, only in the web version of Microsoft Word. These will not be the same files that are on your hard drive. At the top of the screen, you'll see New Blank Document tile, and you'll see templates that you can use. We're going to go to New Blank Document. And here you'll see some familiar features from the desktop version of Word. You'll see the menu bar and your formatting ribbon across the top of your screen. You'll also see that it defaults the document name. You click on the default document name and name the file whatever you want it to be. And as I type into my document, I'm just going to type the word hello. It automatically saves my file for me. So even if I close this tab and I'm back on my home screen, I don't lose my document. So at the bottom, I don't see it yet because I already had this tab open. If you click on refresh, the file that I named training is going to be the most recent file. Another way to see the file is to go to the quick launch button and go to OneDrive. You will see it in recents there also. So OneDrive saves all of your documents and files that you have created in the web version of Office 365. Now let's look at the web version of Microsoft Excel. I'm going to go to a file that I named training. Remember that you will see your file name at the top of the screen. If you want to change at any time, just double click in that box and change it. What you will find is the menu bar and the formatting ribbon are pretty much identical to the desktop version of Excel. There are some features that are not there. One feature that you will not be able to manipulate in the web version is the headers and footers option. So you want to go to the desktop app to do that. So right below your file name, you click on Open in Desktop App. Your prompt window will confirm that that's what you want to do. Click on Open, and it will open the file in the desktop version that's downloaded to your computer. So while you're in this version, you will see at the top a little button that says autosave and is toggled on. What that means is that it will automatically save my changes even though I'm in my desktop version because it's connected to my OneDrive application. Over on the right hand side, you will also see a share button, which is similar to what you will see in Google Drive, where you choose your recipients and you select if they are going to be able to edit the file. You can change it there. You can set expiration dates. If you want it locked by password, you get to set those options there.